In this chapter, let's learn how to do navigation. So we're going to learn the use of next link component, use path name. Okay, all right. Why optimize navigation? Usually anchor tag element, but notice what happens when you navigate the home invoice on your browser. Did you see it? There's a full page refresh, is it? When we go to our dashboard page, then if I go to invoice, store, yes, I see this icon getting changed. So that means it is doing a full page refresh. So what was the partial? Alright, let's see. Partial rendering. Maybe it was only loading the required component from server. Now the link component is we create a link between client side navigation. So to use link component, open nav links. Okay, alright. We don't have it. Okay, we have it inside UI folder. Let's see if we have dashboard nav links file. Uh, it is getting called in the refresh. Can we see nav links? Yes, it is here. So in nav links, what it is asking us is a with link tag. Where do we have an a link? Return link with link tag. All right, and we're using a map here, so only need to perform this once. Now comes the import. So let's do the import. And we have done the import. It is similar to IC, but instead of ahref, we use link href. All right. Save the changes. As it saved it. Yes, it is saved. You should not be able to navigate between without seeing a full refresh. All the parts of it are rendered on the server. There is no full refresh. Let's see if this icon gets changed here. No, icon not getting changed. And we are able to navigate. Cool. Now, what is it? Automatic code splitting and prefetching. To improve the navigation experience, automatic code splits your application by route segment. This is different from traditional React spa or your application code on the initial load. Okay, it says it is doing a lazy loading. Splitting code of the route means that, okay, basically it does not load the child routes onto the client unless we visits the dashboard page, because there is no direct access to those pages without visiting the dashboard page. So splitting code routes means the page becomes isolated. If a certain page throws an error, the rest of the application will still work. All right. This is also less code for the browser to parse, which makes your application faster. Link component appears in the browser. It prefetches the code for the link route in the background. By the time the user clicks the link, the code for the destination will already be loaded in the background. All right. So once we visit the dashboard page, the other two components get eagerly loaded. That's it. What does Next.js do when a link prefetches the code? Now, pattern showing active links. A common UI pattern is to show active link to indicate the user or key which page it is currently on. Next.js provides a hook called usePathname. All right. Let's implement this pattern using this client React hook. All you need to turn is no longer yes, use client directive on the top. Okay. Add React use client. Where let's first create this. Let's assign path to variable called path name. Let's do this. Go to navlinks, create a const, use path names, import path names, imported. Now, also use the CLX library introduced in the chapter CSS styling to conditionally apply classes. When link href matches the path name, the link should be displayed with the blue text. Alright. So let's add this also. We are adding this class 2. We are adding this class 2 our link component. Oh, I think here it is already adding one class. So we are replace it. I think they are replacing this. Let's import this also. Awesome. Okay. Let's save this. So we change this class. Uh, 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 use path name. What is the error? You are importing a component that need only works in the client component. To fix this, mark the file or its parents with the use client. Alright, directive. This makes sense. So by default, all these files are rendered on server side. For a particular file to be rendered only on the client side, we have to add this flag use client on top of the file. I think that's it. Should it work? Error. Go inside the body of a function. Component should have another one. Where is this client? Where did it ask me to use client in which file? This file only. Links now. Yes. Okay. Think about this. Already missing a semicolon. X can be called inside of the body of a function component. Okay. So what this means is we cannot declare this here. Instead, we have to have it inside here. Let's try. Is it working? Yes, it is. Wasn't that happening earlier? I doubt it. Uh, 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 nav.tsx. If what was the earlier class name that we were using? Okay, let's skip that. Why to extend this video? That's all right. Okay, so this chapter is over now. Thank you.